Oop, and stolen is Coloma. Goes straight to the hoops. Bakit? Long pass. Pass the hollow pass, lab pass, end of finish. Pass. And pass to the middle. And Garcia with the finish. Found the stolen. Here's number 3. Goes to the rim, straight to the hoops. Bakit? Navarro. Welcome to Pangasinan Intertown. Natividad versus Alcala. Javier versus Garcia. And first ball possession for Team Natividad. And passing for the inbound is stolen. Here's number 3. Goes to the rim, straight to the hoops. Bakit? Navarro. Corner pass. Coloma, pass to the middle. Bautista number 6. He stops. A pass to Gapasin. Pass to Coloma to the middle. Recover by Gapasin. He kicks out number 0. Pull up jet the mid-range. Back. And here's number 5 for Team Alcala. He passes to the middle. Javier kicks out corner 3. Gabriel off the target. Bautista. Natapika. Number 18. Mendoza Liz. Bakit? And here you go. Team Natividad. Bautista long pass. And Draves. Divina Liz. And 1. Navarro, Mendoza, pass to the middle, stolen, the long pass, and Gapasin, pass to the middle, and Garcia with the finish. And Navarro, sumigsagli, supal lang inabot from Garcia, and Javier fires off the window, that recovered. And here's number 5 for Team Alcala, crossover, nakalusot, side step, back again from Garcia, and long pass. And here's Gapasin, goes to the rim block. And number 5, Gabriel, pass to the corner, wide open for 3. Bang! Mendoza. And here you go. Gapasin, Coloma dribbling the ball. Pass to corner, Divina. He goes to the middle, kicks out, behind the back dribble, crossover, attacks, leads, too strong, tips in, Snowwood, rebound Divina, kicks out, Gapasin, stop picks. And Garcia with the floater, high shot, bakit? And stolen is Coloma. Coloma goes straight to the hoops, bakit? Gabriel stolen. Bautista to the middle, no block, flicks. Coloma. Pass back, Gapasin, wild open, launch for 3. Bam! Gabriel long pass, is stolen by Divina. Divina, pass to the corner, pass back, Divina, open, fires, off the glass. Navarro, ginugulo, spins, long pass, and inside pass, the hollow pass, lab pass, end of finish. And Gapasin, the long pass, here's Garcia at the middle, binit-bit, kicks out, is stolen by Navarro. And here's number 30 kicks inside, Gabriel, bounce pass. And long pass, libre, bakit? And rebound, long pass, Ruiz, libre, easy, bakit? And here's number 15. He crosses the mid lane, the bounce pass to the corner. And Ruiz for the receive, pass to the middle, Garcia, pull up J. Bakit? Garcia. Pass to 18, corner for 3, Padro, wala. And rebound. And here you go, another hook shot. Ooh. Navarro stolen. And Silapan, corner pass. Stop, pull up jumper. Verano, 2 points. Mendoza with the ball. He's at the top. Attacking the defense. He kicks out. Open for 3. Navarro. Bang! 3. And passes Verano. Sumigway na tapikan. Recover. By number 34 goes to the hoops. Liz, kinaliwa. Bakit? And here's Javier with the receive. Bounce pass to the middle. Mendoza with the receive. Mendoza uses the speak. Floater shot. Bakit? Mendoza. Gabriel loses the ball. Verano pass inside. Dalvin off the glass. Bakit? Ball pass. And here's number 23. Long pass, libre, too strong. And Garcia, Verano to the bin, Liz, Divina, bakit for 2. And with the ball, dumidistansya. Attacks, crossover, nakalusot, kicks to the corner, pull up jumper at 3, short, fight for the rebound, Divina. And here's Berano for 3, no good, rebound, put back, Garcia, finish. To the middle, Padro. Padro, 4 laban sa 2, Navarro, open, pinasa pa, Gabriel Pace, oh, the Filipino step. And here's Coloma, pass to the middle, Gapasin sharing the play. And he passed the ball and drives Divina to the corner. 1, 2, reverse layup, Baget. Gabriel, he kicks out, pass to Padro. And wide open, Mendoza off the mark. Silapan. And here's Gapasin. Right side, he stepped the floor of the window and knocks it through. Navarro for the receive. Dribbling his at the top. Padro with the receive. Padro goes inside and he lays. Tips in, won't go. Divina with the rebound. And here's Berano to the host. Bucket! And here's Padro. Bounce pass, libre, floater, and 1. Javier. Divina long pass. And Reyes, Liz, wala, tips in. Ang tangkad mo. Tangkad, tikit. And Berano, pass to Divina. 10 seconds for the shot clock, down to 7. Reyes, he attacks, pass inside, fires off the glass. Bucket, dalagi ba? Bounce pass. Villarmino, pinasa pa, picks, great space, cross pass, open for 3, stolen. Albuen, boom! Gandang pasa nun, hindi pwede. Mendoza. And pass hits sa 3, Coloma. Berano, pull up jumper, off the mark. Gabriel, sumigsag. Bounce pass, Javier, Bucket. And he's dribbling the ball. Coloma, pass to Berano. Shot clock down to 12. Attacks, Sumaldag, pass inside. And kicks out, Garcia. Corner, picks, another pull-up jumper, Bucket! And Barro, he pass, Padro, he passes to Javier, pass to the corner, Padro for 3, won't go, picks, Gabriel off the glass, in and out, rebound Padro, attack, side step, block from Garcia, and here you go. Kapasin, nulog pa si Ritz. And here you go, Navarro. Naiwan yung bola. And baseball pass, corner. Gabriel for 3. Bang! Navarro, i-pass to Pabro. Pabro drives. Pinasa kay Javier. Fire, in and out. Tips in. Wala pa. Javier bumangga. Spins, fire. And 1. Javier. Bautista, he goes pass to the middle. Bautista. And Silapan. Pass to Bautista. And a pass. Pull up jet 3. And it's Navarro, bounce pass. Nauna na, binit-bit lace. Bucket, Pabro. Rano at the top. Behind the back dribble. A pass to Albuen. Albuen to Berano. Pass to number 18. Bounce pass. Oh, the connection. Divin. Throws the mid lane. He stops, he pass it back, and to the middle. And shot clock down to 10, he spins, Divina, pinasaan si recover, Navarro, long pass, and here's Gabriel, easy to Gabriel. And here's Silapan, bounce pass, Berano, Silapan, Liz, oh, tic-tac-toe pass. And here's Mendoza, naagawan ni Berano. Side is Coloma, dive for the ball, and here you go, creative space, pull up J, Bucket, Coloma, and back to 9-point lead. Mendoza, He's at the top. He pass it there. Navarro with the ball. He pass back to the middle. Second shoot sa tres of the mark. Berrano and number 15 Ruiz. Coloma. He stopped. He decided to take a three. Short. Oop. And here you go, Navarro. Navarro drives to the hoops. Lays and one. Navarro. The pass to Lopez. Pass to Gabriel. Navarro with the ball. Shot clock down to 10. And he stops. Inside pass. Uy, sakto yung low and one. Down to 4. And here's Divina. Dumistancia. Is Ruiz. Step back for 3 of the target. Rebound. Divina spins fakes. Floater bucket. Garcia. And here's Divina. Umatake. Hook shot block. Ruiz with the ball. Attack. Si pass. Garcia. Bucket. And he pass. Lopez. And here's number 19 to the middle. Mendoza. Lopez. Mendoza. Inside pass. Mendoza lays. Kinaliwa. Bucket. And Ruiz received by Gapasin. Here's Divina. Sumegway sa gitna. Pinabitin. Lost the ball. And he's on hurry. 4 seconds. Pinasa pa. Liz Lopez with the finish. At the buzzer. That's the end. And ginulo ng dalawa. Pass. And Lopez. Pinulayaw. Pinasa. Nangiti na lang. Garcia. Coach to coach. Fast bucket. Garcia. Down to 5-point lead. Silapan uses the screen. And stolen. And here's number 23, Gabriel spins to the middle. Inside pass. Reverse layup bucket. Down. And a 3-point lead. Silapan. Sa gitna. Liz. Bucket. Divina. And here you go. Pass break. Gapasin. Pinaw. Hook shot. Oh, the rebound. Put back shot. Bautista. And here's Gabriel. Kinaliwa bucket. Gabriel. And Gapasin. Natapikan. And for the ball is stolen. And 3-on-1 ang laban. And Navarro ipas. And pinasa libre si Navarro. To 3-point lead. Divina. Spins. Pass to the middle. And here's Colomba. Oop. Fix. Gapasin. Shot clock down to 10. Fix, attack, side step, Bautista, hook shot, bucket. So, here's Team Natividad. Behind the back dribble. Pinasa, fast. Don't go, rebound. Bumalik. Oh, tinansya. Pabro. Pinasa. Gabriel spins. Floater of the glass. Shot clock down to 10. And Bautista to the middle. Divina Liz. Bucket for 2. Divina. Shot clock down to 12. And Coloma kicks out. Corner. Pass inside. Libre. Easy 2 points. Bautista. Coloma. And nagmamadali. Mendoza to the hoops. And his baseball pass. Coloma. Easy to Coloma. Mendoza sa 3. Bang! Mendoza! And his team Natividad bounce. Up. Pass. And he's stolen. Navarro to the hoops. Bucket! Natividad. And Albuen taking it easy. Albuen. Pass to the middle. Coloma bounce pass. Bautista. And dives. Goes to the hoops. Liz. In and out. Rebound. Another one. Coloma. Shot clock down to 10. And pinasa and one. And congratulations for Nim.